Pounds of pork shoulder. I have 2 pork chops. I like to use the little bone for it. Some people use neck bones, but I don't really like that. So what I do for the replacement of those neck bones, I use the pork chops. And you can use the thicker pork chops. This is what I had available in my freezer, so that's what I'm using. As you can see, and I did say that we have some chiles.
Welcome to all my followers. Today I will be making an easy and delicious recipe. Let's gather our ingredients and head to our stovetop.
So here's our chiles. I have 5 chiles guajillos, or you can use chile New Mexico, whichever is available to you. They're really good. And I have 2 of these chile de árboles because they're really spicy.
And I know the scissors are maybe not for this, but it's very convenient for me, and I really enjoy using my scissors sometimes instead of my knife. And as you can see, I like to leave a little bit of the meat on the bone. It gives it a little flavor, and you can always eat that while you're eating your asado, which is really delicious. And don't worry about the ingredients. I will be listing all of the ingredients down on the description, and also for a more detailed recipe you can check out my WordPress. I will leave the link down below so you can go ahead and check that out. I also have other really delicious recipes.
Here is our meat all cut up, including our pork chops. Now what we're going to do is we're going to seasoning them with a little bit of the complete seasoning. Just gives it some flavor. Some adobo. And of course, some oregano. Perfect.
I also wanted to mention, when we do this recipe, usually we use manteca. And I used oil here just because, that's what I had available. But usually we use manteca. It makes it more delicious. And usually you have a big pot and you can cook it outside, but like I said, I'm using what I have available, so that's why. But usually you cook this outside when it's cold. Oh my goodness, I'm telling you, you have the whole family over, or even you just yourself. Oh my god, I'm telling you, you would love it.
My chiles.
As you can see here, I am taking out the seeds from the chilies and I am adding them to a pot filled with water that I will be using to boil these chiles. Here I am adding cumin and 1 bay leaf.
smells so good. And you can leave some of the juice here from the meat that came out, that's fine. And we're gonna let it sit for another 20 minutes till the juices combine very well. Here you have it, asado my way. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget, hit the like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. And don't forget to check out my WordPress, where I will be posting this recipe, and there you can find other easy and delicious recipes from mi casita to your casita. Alright guys, remember, be yourself and stay true to yourself. See ya!
Takten alla var Gullfest, gullfest hela dagen. Mjöl från livets grottekvarn. Gullfest, gullfest hela dagen. Små på stort, det har vi alla.